Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to snooze a page from your feed on Android. Facebook can be a great way to stay connected with friends and family, but sometimes you may find yourself seeing too many posts from certain pages. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of snoozing a page from your feed on your Android device. Step 1. Go to the post from the page that you want to snooze. This can be a post that appears in your newsfeed or on the page itself. Step 2. Tap the three dots in the top right-hand corner of the post. This will open a menu of options. Step 3. Select Snooze, Page Name for 30 days. This will temporarily stop posts from that page appearing in your newsfeed for the next 30 days. Step 4. To immediately undo the snooze, tap Undo in the confirmation message. This will restore posts from that page to your newsfeed. It's important to note that snoozing a page is only a temporary solution. After 30 days, posts from that page will start appearing in your newsfeed again. If you want to permanently unfollow a page, you can do so by selecting Unfollow Page Name instead of Snooze Page Name for 30 days. In conclusion, snoozing a page from your feed on Android is a simple process that can help you manage your newsfeed and avoid seeing too many posts from certain pages. Remember that this is only a temporary solution, and that posts from the page will start appearing in your newsfeed again after 30 days. If you have any questions or concerns about snoozing a page, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.